Hi, boys and girls. It's Miss Davis here on day 3 of our book for Developing Talkers. Today we're going to read this nonfiction book called Floods. It's nonfiction because it's about things that are real. We're going to learn 2 new words today. This word is common. Repeat. Things that are common are seen a lot or happen a lot. It is common to see crayons in classrooms. Imagine you're in a classroom and you're writing in your journal. Pretend to write and say, crayons are common in classrooms. Ready? Crayons are common in classrooms. Good. This word is predict. Repeat. When you predict something, you make a guess that it's going to happen before it does. The weather reporter predicts what the weather will be like tomorrow. Pretend you are a weather reporter on the news. Imagine you are reporting the weather and you say, I predict it will rain tomorrow. I predict it will rain tomorrow. Good. So as we're reading, we're going to listen for those 2 words and our guided question. So as I read, I want you to think about our guided question. How can we stay safe in floods? How can we stay safe in floods? I want you to look at this page. This page is the table of contents. Some informational books have a table of contents that tells you what page you can find a topic on. Here I see that I'll be reading about staying safe on page 14. So if I just wanted information on staying safe, I could go to page 14 and read about that. What is a flood? Floods happen when water covers places it usually doesn't. Floods are the most common natural disaster in the United States. The author says that floods are common natural disasters. Things that are common are happen or are seen a lot. What causes floods? Heavy rain causes flash floods. The ground cannot soak up all the rainwater. Floods also happen when a levee or a dam breaks. Rain or melting snow can make rivers overflow. Other times, hurricanes blow ocean water onto land. Dangers of floods. Floods are dangerous. Moving water can sweep people away and cars. Floods can wash away roads and bridges. Floods often damage homes and buildings. Wet wood rots inside walls. Dangerous mold grows. How is this man being safe as he cleans up the rotting house? How is this man being safe? Look at his hands. What is he wearing? He's wearing gloves. What about his face? What is he wearing to stay safe? Yeah, a mask. That's right. He also has on tennis shoes so his feet don't get messed up or dirty. Staying safe. People should move to high ground during floods. They should never drive on flooded roads. Look at this picture. What can you see that lets us know we shouldn't go on this road? What do you see that lets us know we shouldn't go on this road? Yeah, there's a sign that says danger, road closed. There's also cones. That's right, good. Dirty floodwaters can spread disease. During floods, people should drink and cook with bottled water. Scientists use radars and other tools to predict floods. They send out flash flood warnings. Warnings tell people an area is in danger of flooding. Scientists have tools that help them predict floods. When you predict something, you make a guess that it's going to happen before it does. Show me thumbs up or thumbs down for this question. Do you think that it always floods when the scientists predict it will? Why or why not? Do you think it will? That it does flood when they predict all the time or not? Yeah, that's a good guess. Yeah, scientists can be wrong. The weather can change. And then they might not be correct. But a lot of times they are correct. People can prepare for floods. They pile sandbags to keep water away from buildings. Sometimes people leave their homes until the flood is over. Boys and girls, great job listening to our story. As we were reading, we were listening for how we can stay safe in a flood. How can we stay safe in a flood? That's right. We should never drive in a flood. Should we move to higher ground? Yeah. If our house is going to flood, should we stay inside the house? No, that is not safe. That's right. All right, boys and girls, as we were reading, you had to make a connection to answer our guided question. When something from the book reminds you of your own life, you make a connection. We're going to review our words for today and the 2 words we learned yesterday and the day before. This word is predict. Repeat. When you predict something, you make a guess that is going to happen before it does. The woman is predicting the weather for the week. This word is common. Repeat. Things that are common are seen a lot or happen a lot. Crayons are common in classrooms. This word is overflow. Repeat. When something overflows, it fills up with more water than it can hold, so the water starts coming out. The mug is overflowing with coffee. This word is damage. Repeat. To damage something means to break it or change it so that it looks worse than it used to. The lady dropped her mirror and damaged it. Damaged. This word is disaster. Repeat. A disaster is when something very bad happens all of a sudden. This is a picture of a tornado. A tornado is a kind of disaster that hurts many people and things. Tornadoes are a disaster. This word is warning. Repeat. A warning is something you tell others to let them know something bad could happen. Look at this card. This sign warns people of the wet floor. Very good, boys and girls. Great job. Bye.